important is the math. He wants to help. Also the cart, Ro. Ay.
Then you had proper craftsmen.
Haha.
India.
What do you do? What do you do? What are you doing there? Making a study table, guys. My husband is very talented, guys. So, yan na yung ano, guys. The study table and the bench of the kids. Yan. Wow. Good job to my husband, eh. Very smart ka, diba? Yan pala, guys. Bunnings, save the bunnings. Na-varnish niya. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, napaka-talented yung Mr. Study Table. Yung final, ano. Yan.